Guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you add payment method into Remitly. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to add payment method, you just simply have to open your Remitly application, and after opening the Remitly, you will get to see a bunch of options again. Now you just simply have to select this management section at the bottom right corner. After tapping into management, you will get to see this option of payment method. Select that option and then you will get this add button into the top right corner. Select add, and after tapping in there, you will get to see this option of payment details. First of all, you have to enter card number, and at second you have to enter the expiry month and year of your card and enter the security code of your card. Then after that, you have to enter your name, which is exactly same into your card, which has to be exactly same as your card, and you have to enter your card nickname. That is optional, you can leave that also. And after that, just simply tap to save button at the bottom right, and after that your card will successfully be saved and your payment method will be added. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.